It's been 2 weeks since I haven't been able to charge, and in this video I will explain you why. Welcome to yet another sad video of the Taycan experience. Now we are facing another fault, and this one is pretty stupid and pretty important too. So for a spot of context, when I charge at AC, when I charge with the slower speed, I tend to use the left charging port because it's easier for me to access, it's faster when I want to go out for a ride. On a Saturday evening, I charged at a public charging station and I went for a ride. Everything was good, but on Sunday morning I got an error message which looks like this, which basically states that my left charging port is open, but as you can see in this moment is closed. And if we take a look at the PCM, it will tell us that the charging port is open. I tried pushing it harder, I tried to clean up the mechanism that it is right here. Yes, you see that I have the manual charging flaps, and you might think that it would be more reliable, but as we can see it isn't. But this is a twist. I will explain later why you should still choose the manual charging flaps even though you might experience some issues with those. I called Porsche, I told them about the situation. They were very kind to do this diagnostics away, so I haven't been requested to travel to Porsche Center in order for them to make a diagnosis. I explained them exactly what was the situation, and it took 4 days for them to tell me that they can source up just the mechanism that tells the car that it's open or not the entire flap. So I'm not required to change the entire charging flap just for that mechanism alone. Everything was good, but I've waited now for 2 weeks, and only yesterday the Porsche technician told me that I will be scheduled next Friday, June 2nd. I've come to a realization that Porsche centers, especially in Romania, they are more focused on paid repairs, as you do, and for the warranty stuff they tend to postpone them until the end of the week or as later as possible. This is understandable, but is it my fault that the damn charger is not working anymore? It's not, and I bought the car from that exact dealership. What is life with only 22 kilowatt as maximum charging speed? I will tell you that I've learned something very important. You have to option the 22 kilowatt onboard charger in order for you to survive if something like this would happen to you. And secondly, it is much easier and less expensive to replace just a broken mechanism rather than replacing the entire charging flap and the actuator if you would have the electrical port, as a friend of mine did earlier on. Unfortunately, I had to call multiple times in order for them to tell me something about the status of my order. Up until yesterday, I haven't had any single reply from them. I had to call, send messages, and basically give up my time in order to find out information that could be told by the Porsche dealership. Now it's the 3rd week of waiting, and next Friday I will get the part replaced. I hope they will fit the part very fast, because I will drive this car to the dealership. It's drivable, everything is fine, but you get that error message which you have to decline, and when you reach your destination the only way you can charge is right here, because you will be graced with a red dot, which means that you are not able to charge either from AC or of course the fast option. So that's a no-go. Now the car approached 40,000 kilometers today on Sunday, May 28th, and I'm pleased with the experience, but small things like that tend to ruin my day, tend to make me feel that a car such at this level to have errors that are this stupid makes me feel mad, makes me feel that this is not a video to make you decline your order. This is just my experience. It's not something that big, it's not something that small, but I think that it would be appropriate to share with you here, because this is what this channel is all about, to share with you my experience of owning this car. In 40,000 kilometers, I've been in the dealership 3 times, I think. First stop for a red battery error. Second time, second time with the heater, and now this is the third time with this broken charging flap. I hope this video was interesting, and if you want to find out more, please look at my videos. I tend to share with you every single thing that is worth sharing.